In this video, we will go over the right-click menu known as the marking menu. Previous videos on this channel have displayed this menu since it helps lower your total design time. We will go over the majority of the menu options as shown. When initially opening the right-click menu, the options surrounding your arrow will be as shown. At the top center of the mouse will be the most recent action performed. In this case, it is the Create Sketch feature. Once selected, the triad will appear for you to select one of the planes. Perhaps one of the most used applications from the menu is the Undo option, which will always be on the far left. This will undo any previous action you made. On the far right is the Redo button, which will repeat an undone action. Let's create a 3D shape to better display the next few menu options. The bottom option of this menu is a secondary sketch menu that gets activated from leaving your mouse hovering on the sketch option for a few seconds. Here you will see default 2D sketch features. You can select a sketch feature from this menu and select any available plane in the model to place the sketch. The next option in the menu is the Move Copy option. Copies of existing bodies can be made by dragging one of the arrows as shown. Just make sure to select the Create Copy option as shown in the bottom, left-hand corner of the Move Copy window. This option can also be used to move or rotate an object from its original position. On the bottom right-hand side of the menu is the Hole feature. There are multiple clearance and threaded holes you can create. Other than options surrounding the mouse, the remainder of the menu are other shortcuts shown on the toolbar above and navigation bar below. The last thing to make note of is the new top menu option. The top option has changed to the most recent action performed.